Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's Friday. Friday, August the 20th, 2021, almost weekend. Today we have two regular Sudokus. A Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Two regular Sudokus, but in this newspaper there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 6 extra Sudokus. But first we will solve these two babies. And the first one is a Sudoku Light. Yeah. Number 3270. Yes. How to solve an easy Sudoku Light. It will be, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. So it's an easy one. So how to solve an easy light Sudoku? Let me see which number I will pick. We have here 4 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 4 fours, 5 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 4 eights, and 4 nines. So let me start with the 5s because those are the most, I think. All right. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, the row below. So in that row, the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in the third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Alright. Okay. We have 4 8s. So let me continue with 8. We have an 8 in the last column. An 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2 and number 8. Alright. Alright. Then. How about the number? Let me see. Difficult. Let me see. the 9 in this row, the 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. All right. All right. All right. Then. Let me see. Can I do something with the number? The number 7. 7 or 4. Let me take the 7. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Yeah, wrong choice. Let me continue with the 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. All right. So let me continue with the 7 or with the 4. Let me do the 4. Let me continue with the 4. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. All right. And now let me continue with the 7. Oh, can I I cannot continue. I see. Yeah. No. I need to wait. I see. How about the 1? We have 4 ones. I see. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. One in the first row, one in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see there one, no one there. One should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 5, number 1. And can I now continue with the 7? Yeah, I can continue with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 6, number 7. All right. One box left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes, the 2. All right. One box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. One box is left in this big square. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2 is missing. Okay. One box is left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. Yes. 2 boxes are left in this big square. 1, the 2, and the 3 are missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 and the 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Then one number left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 3 is missing in this column. So we have now 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 2 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. One number left in the third row for the number 2, I believe. No. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9. Yes, 6 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, the 2 and the 3 are missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. All right. I like this one. Sudoku Light. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. How heavy? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.